Johnny, you've often talked about the infrastructure that's required for institutions to be more engaged with the digital assets. So what's this about some develops in the USA regarding custody?
Yes, very interesting. The 22nd of July, and this is a mouthful, the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, or otherwise known as the OCC. Now, this is a division of the US Treasury, and they regulate and supervise US banks and federal savings associations, as well as federal branches and agencies of foreign banks operating in the USA. And what they've actually come out with and said that banks can now offer custody services to cryptocurrencies. Now, the OCC was actually established back in 1863, so it's been around quite a while. And the acting comptroller of the currency, a gentleman by the name of Brian P. Brooks, he's actually said from safe deposit boxes to virtual vaults, we now need to ensure that our financial institutions can service the needs of customers today. And going on and saying that they believe that by giving clarification that banks can now offer custody services to potentially tens of millions of Americans who are involved in investing in cryptocurrencies. Now, the reason this is so important is that asset managers need a third party to act as custodian. So they effectively hold the assets that they're managing on behalf of their various different investors, their clients. And this means that they can now go to banks and they can offer these custody services. And it's interesting, will this now mean banks in the USA and then potentially in other jurisdictions will be more receptive to offer banking services to those organisations involved in digital assets and cryptocurrencies? And given the timing, does this mean the US is really gearing itself up, indeed, to soon announce their own central bank digital currency?